Alright, gloriously bad cell phone video. One of the ESU 58724 boards fitted to a Kato ACS64. Normally I don't fit speakers in the fuel tank, but that's been cut out. It's been fitted down, and I wormed the speaker wires down. I'll have to modify the inside of the shell so the body will lock down, but it's been reprogrammed. ESU doesn't have an ACS64 sound file that I'm aware of, so I just loaded a AEM7 file on there. Sounded a little bit better than a GE ES44 sound file. So anyways, we'll go for light. Obviously this is subject to change. I'm not sure what exactly an electric's supposed to sound like, but very short test track here, so this is on a low programmer. Anywho, this is my craptastic video. Sound for the ACS64. Have a wonderful evening.